Hiya, Russ from ProSteamUK here, and we're on a job at the moment. One of our customers who usually gets us in every 12 months to clean their carpet in their lounge. We've taken advantage of the free carpet clean that comes with the sofa cleaning. So we clean the sofas at the moment. We usually charge £100 to clean the lounge carpet. Today they won't be paying anything for the carpet cleaning, but just to show you how well we can clean upholstery, we have a cushion, and I'm just rinsing with just hot water. Okay, so there you go. You can now see how you can benefit from getting your sofas deep cleans. We use a product which is plant-based. It doesn't have any nasty additives in it, so it's perfectly safe around people and pets. No detergents at all, so there's no chance of rapid resoiling you get with a lot of shampoos. So there you have it. If you're looking to have your carpets cleaned, why not think about getting your sofas cleaned and get your carpet cleaned for free?